How to change business account to personal account in Instagram. If any day any of you are an Instagram user and you would like to change your business account to personal account in Instagram, but you do not know how to do that, just follow the following steps. For this, first of all, you have to launch the very Instagram application on your mobile device. You have to find the very Instagram application on your mobile device and then tap on it like this. After you tap on it like this, now you have to go to the profile like icon. After you go to the profile like icon, you can see an interface like this if your account is a business account. If it's a business account, you have to tap on the three lines and then go to the option of the creator tools and controls. After tapping on creator tools and control, you can see an interface like this. Now here you have to tap on the option of the switch the account type, and after tapping on the option of the switch the account type, here you have to switch to personal account and then tap on it. After that, you have to tap on the option of switch to personal account, and when you tap on the option of switch to personal account, your very business account will be switched to the personal account mode. Thank you for watching our video, and if you really like it, do not forget to subscribe our channel.